The students, in the exam, the question will be like this. Describe Newton's formula for velocity of sound. Describe Newton's formula for velocity of sound. The students, what is the first point you have to write down? Newton states or Newton describe when sound travel from source of sound. Okay, when sound travels from source. Let me draw the diagram. So this is what source, okay, of sound. So we will find there is what? Compression of the air molecules, rarefaction. Compression, rarefaction. Compression, rarefaction. Am I right? Compression, rarefaction. So what will I say? This is what compression point. And this point is called, or this space is called rarefaction. Understood? That is the first point of the Newton's formula for velocity of sound. So now what you observe? We observe here is what? Velocity is less. Here velocity is what? More. Here velocity is less and velocity is more. But at compression we observe that velocity is less, and rarefaction we observe that velocity is more. So as we know, density is what? Inversely proportional to volume. Density is what? Inversely proportional to volume. So at compression, since volume decreases, density increases. That is your second point. At compression, volume decreases, therefore density increases. As I told you, compression volume decreases, that's why density increases. Rarefaction, volume increases, density decreases. That is your second point. Everyone understood first point, second point? Hope so everyone understood first point and second point, okay? Then third point. Then what third point said, stated by the Newtons, it states that velocity of sound depends on elasticity. This is very important point. And density. Velocity of sound depends on elasticity and density. Directly you put a formula. V is equals to, small v is equals to under root of E upon rho. E upon rho. Rho is what? What is that? E is called modulus of elasticity, and what is rho? Is the density of the medium. That is what your third point and the fourth point. Then fifth point is also very important, that Newton states that, which is actually wrong statement, but still we will say it's the right statement because we just explained Newton's formula for velocity of sound. What he states? It states that during propagation, listen students, during propagation, there is no change. There is no change in what? Temperature. There is no change in what? Temperature. That's why this process is called isothermal process, and that elasticity also called isothermal elasticity, because elasticity occur in what? Constant temperature. That's why this elasticity is at under isothermal elasticity. Then sixth point. Sixth point states that since it is considered what? Isothermal change. It considered what? Isothermal change. Then this modulus of elasticity is called atmospheric pressure. Then modulus of elasticity is called atmospheric pressure. Who said? Newton's. So now I replace this capital E by pressure. Okay. What is pressure? Pressure is what? Atmospheric pressure of the air. So what is the formula for pressure? Pressure is given by H multiplied by D multiplied by G. What is H stands for? Height of the mercury. Because in lab, no, we will measure the atmospheric pressure by the instrument name barometer. So in that barometer, we always keep mercury. You will find. So what is H stands for? Height of the mercury at room temperature. So at room temperature, you will find average height is what? 0.76 meter. D stands for density of the mercury. Density of mercury value is always 13,600. Then rho is what? Density of air, which is always 1.293, because here we consider what? Air finally. Because we have to find the general, what is the constant velocity of sound in air. Okay, so that's why we took here density of air. What is that value? 1.293 kg per meter cube. And what G stands for? Acceleration due to gravity, which is 9.8. So we will put up values over there. 0.76. Now we have to find using log. Who will help me to take a log? So how to find log? All of you concentrate. Everyone please look at the board. Okay, open the log book. Just say anti-log. Okay. Since it is root now, always remember whenever it is root now, you have to say 1 upon 2. Okay. And you start taking log or finding log inside the bracket. So first what you have to find out? Navya, characteristic or mantissa? Always remember you have to find out characteristic. So students, 0.76, in 0.76 we found 0 point. The characteristic of this 0.76 is what? Bar 1. Okay, if it is 0 point no, so since 1 0 is there, the characteristic is what? Bar 1. Now I have to ask Soham, 13,600 consists of how many numbers? कितने numbers है उसमें? How many numbers are there?
5.
5. So it is 5, so you reduce 1. So what is the characteristic beta? 4.
4.
Yes, so first you have to decide the characteristic. Now next question, Harish 9.8. Before point, how many digits are there?
Sir, 1.
So 1, the reduce 1. So what is the characteristic? Is 0. Yes. Only remember 0.76, there is no digit before point. So there is a 0. That's why characteristic is about bar 1. So now we will find the log. So now Mr. Soham, 0.76. 76 के आगे there are infinite zeros. So what is 76 में 0? What is log? Log of 76 में 0. Open the log book.
So which?
76 में 0. 76 in that 0. You don't know how to find log?
So, yes, sir, just 1 second. 5, 7, 5, 4.
Everyone please check 5, 7, 5, 4. Okay. Then 13 में 6.
13 में 6. 13. Hello, sir.
हाँ LS. Rodriguez.
Sir, in my logbook it is showing the 76 in 0 is 8808.
8.
8808.
What happened, Soham? Rodriguez said he said 8808. You said log or logarithm. In the logarithm you have to see.
Anti-logarithm or logarithm?
Logarithm.
Okay, sorry, sir.
8808.
8808. Sorry, sir.
Yes, 880. First we will find log, then finally we will find anti-log. Okay, and 13 में 6.
13/6 is 1335.
1335. Okay, and 98 में 0.
98 में 0. 9912.
9912. Okay, 9912. ठीक है. Then we will add. Okay, 8 to 10, 15.
15.
5. बरोबर? 20. 2 plus 4, 6 minus 1, 5. Okay?
5.
So now we will subtract 1.293. Log of 1.293. Okay, so I will write here 5.0055 minus 1 point is what? Is a characteristic 0. 12 में 9 में 3. 12, 9, 3.
12 में 9 is 1106.
1106. Okay, and 3 main difference. 3.
3 main difference is 10.
10. So 1116. 1116. Okay, now we have to subtract. Okay, to subtract. So 15 minus 6 is 9. 4 minus 1. What happened? Any doubts? 15 minus 6 is 9. 4 minus 1 is 3. 10 minus 1 is 9. 9 minus 1 is 8. 4.8939. So last final answer is what, students? 4.8939. You have to divide by 2. If I divide by 2, 2 to the 4. Understood? 2 to the 4. 2 4s are 8. 2 4s are 8. 2 6s are 12. 2 9s are 18. So what is the final answer we got here? 2.44469. So इसका anti-log. Anti-log will be, what is the number before point? Soham, what is number before point?
2.
2. That is the power of 10. And then tell me anti-log. 44 में 6 9.
44 anti-log
एंटी-लॉग और नाउ एंटी-लॉग.
44. Yes, sir. 44 में 9 ना?
44 में 6 and then 9.
6. Okay. 44 में 6 2 7 9 3.
You add and tell me the answer.
Okay, sir. 2 7 9 3 and then main difference of 9.
Addition with add and tell me.
2799.
2799.
9.
Yes, 2799. And before the 1000 you have to put point. Before 1000 you have to put point. Okay. So what's the final answer, students? What's the final answer? 279.9 meter per second. Understood, everyone? Everyone understood? Say yes or no.